In this video, I'm going to talk about how to simplify algebraic fractions with equal denominators. Now let's take a simple example. Two over a plus 3 over a minus 1 over a. The specialty of this sum is you are having an addition over here and a subtraction over here. So how do we simplify this? All three denominators are same. Therefore, we have a common denominator which is a. Then we can simply simplify our numerators. 2 plus 3 minus 1. 2 plus 3 minus 1. 2 plus 3 is 5. If we deduct 1 from 5, we get 4. So our answer is 4 over a. Okay, let's take another example. Here our numerators are algebraic numerators. The denominators are same. So our common denominator is 15. Therefore, we can simplify our numerators. 4x plus 7x minus 2x. 4x plus 7x is 11x. 11x minus 2x is 9x. 9x over 15. Is this our final answer? No. We need to keep our answer in its simplest form. So how can we simplify this? What is the highest number that we can divide both numerator and denominator? It's 3. Because the highest common factor for 9x and 15 is 3. So let's divide 9x by 3. We get 3x. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. So this is our answer. So make sure to keep your answer in its simplest form. But the previous answer, we cannot further simplify it because there is no common factor for both terms, both numerator and denominator. Let's take another example. Okay, how about this sum? Here again, our common denominator is 10 and 7y minus 3y plus y. 7y minus 3y is 4y. 4y plus y is 5y. 5y over 10. Can we further simplify this answer? Yes, of course. 5y and 10. Is there a highest common factor? Yes, it's 5. 5y divided by 5 is y. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So we have kept our answer in its simplest form. Okay, let's take a bit advanced sum. Now what about this? Here we see that all three denominators are same, so we have a common denominator. But when we consider the numerators, we see that here there is an algebraic expression. So our numerator is an algebraic expression over here. And here it's only algebraic term. Once again here, in the third numerator's place, we have another algebraic expression. When we have algebraic expressions in numerator's place, and when we are to subtract, we need to be a bit careful. So how do we simplify this? Our common denominator is 5m minus 1. Then the first numerator is 9m minus 1. For that, we need to add 3m plus 3m. Then from this, we need to deduct what? We need to deduct this whole expression. This means we need to put brackets. Write 2m plus 1 within brackets. Right. Then in the next step, we can remove the brackets. 9m minus 1 plus 3m. When we remove the brackets, minus times 2m is minus 2m. Minus times plus 1 is minus 1. Now we can simplify our like terms. 9m plus 3m is 12m. 12m minus 2m is 10m. Then minus 1 and minus 1 is minus 2. The denominator is 5m minus 1. Is this our answer? No. We can further simplify this. Now, both your numerator and denominator are algebraic expressions. And in this algebraic expression, we see that there is a common factor for these two terms, 10m and minus 2. So we can take that common factor out. So what is the highest common factor for these two terms, 10m and minus 2? It's 2. So if I take out that common factor 2 out, what is remaining within the bracket is 10m divided by 2 is 5m. Minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. Then our denominator is 5m minus 1. Now we can cancel out these two expressions. And our final answer becomes only 2. Okay, let's take another example. This is our final example. Our common denominator is 2m plus 3. Here again we have an algebraic expression. Here also we have an algebraic expression, and this is just an algebraic term. The first numerator is 8m plus 10. From that, I need to deduct the second whole algebraic expression. So I need to put brackets now. 4m plus 1. Then for this, I need to add 2m. Now let's remove the brackets. 8m plus 10. When we remove the brackets, minus times 4m is minus 4m. Then minus times plus 1 is minus 1. And we have plus 2m. Our denominator is 2m plus 3. Right, let's simplify the like terms. 8m minus 4 is 4m. 8m minus 4m is 4m. 4m plus 2m is 6m. Then plus 10 and minus 1 is plus 9. Our denominator is 2m plus 3. Here again, in this algebraic expression, we see that there is a highest common factor for both terms, 6m and plus 9, which is 3. So we are going to take out that highest common factor. Then write rest within the brackets. 6m divided by 3 is 2m. Then plus 9 divided by 3 is plus 3. And below we have our denominator 2m plus 3. Now here again, similar to the previous one, We can cancel out these two and our answer becomes 3. 3 is our answer. I hope you got a clear idea of how to simplify algebraic expressions when there are equal denominators. See you then. Don't forget to subscribe.